In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete groups on Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do is an incredibly useful tool for managing your daily tasks, creating lists, and organizing your work and personal life. However, there may come a time when you need to delete a group or list that's no longer relevant or required. This can help keep your account tidy and focused on what's important. So let's walk through the steps on how you can accomplish this task. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft To Do website. It's easy to find, just type welcome to do in your search bar or enter the URL to do.office.com/tasks/ directly into your browser. This will bring you to the home page of Microsoft To Do, a launching point for managing your tasks. Once you've arrived at the home page, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in option on the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're already logged into your Microsoft account, this step may be skipped automatically. Now it's time to type in your email. Enter the email associated with your Microsoft To Do account in the field provided. It's crucial to use the email tied to the lists you intend to manage or delete. After typing in your email, click on Next to proceed. The page will then prompt you for your password. Carefully enter your password and proceed to sign in. Ensure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main To Do page, sometimes referred to as My Day within Microsoft To Do. This page showcases your daily tasks and any lists or groups you've created. Find the group list you wish to delete on this page. If you've organized your tasks into various groups, navigate until you locate the specific group you're aiming to remove. This is a crucial step to ensure you're deleting the right group, as this action cannot be undone. After you've found the group, right-click on the mouse to open a context menu. Within this menu, you'll see the option to delete group. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog. It's always a good moment to pause and ensure you're ready to delete, as this action will permanently remove the group and its associated tasks from your account. Confirm your decision to delete by selecting Delete in the confirmation dialog. This permanently removes the group from your Microsoft To Do account. It's a straightforward process, but it's worth being certain before you confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a group on Microsoft To Do. Remember, maintaining an organized and streamlined list can significantly enhance your productivity and focus. Deleting groups or lists that are no longer needed can help in keeping your To-Do interface clean and manageable. A few additional tips as you continue to use Microsoft To Do. Regularly review your lists and groups to keep your tasks relevant and up to date. Leverage the My Day feature to prioritize daily tasks. And explore integration with other Microsoft services like Outlook for an enhanced productivity experience. By following these steps and recommendations, you're well on your way to mastering Microsoft To Do and making the most of this powerful organizational tool. Thank you for watching and stay productive.